The Structure System command in SOLIDWORKS 2024 has some new options when applying corner treatment. First, I'll add some structural members to this sketch. When we're finished adding structural members and we exit the command, corner management is automatically initiated. New in SOLIDWORKS 2024, we can automatically group corners. Previously, that was a manual operation. And we have a new option for corner treatment, Open Corner. That's helpful if the corners need to be left open for other geometry. Thank you.